I have always thought it is ridiculously funny how um, the beautiful themes that WordPress offers never match how they look at the first time. I mean, it is beautiful here. Really, it has like in one single glance, I say, "Oh, this is so useful," and I have to have this. It's free. Oh, amazing! I activate it, and it looks nothing like the real thing. So, like, and it asked it asked me to activate a bunch of plugins, and I installed them and activated them, but it still looks nothing like nothing happened. Why? And you then there's these menus for a shop. I deactivated, I removed the WooCommerce plugin, and everything's still there. Uh, why can we configure the cool stuff that it offers like right out of the box right here? It's, it's just like, cool, this is another UX fail definitely, but you know, we developers suck it up, and we've been dealing with this for years and years, decades. So I would like to read some comments on this, maybe to have a laugh, um, at the expense of my website. I'm going to fix it, but meanwhile, I'm having fun.